This is like, you know, like I said, we're doing this for TV or for stage, like for like a music video.
Tanya, can I pretend? Let's be lovers and friends. I'ma hold you to the end.
Hey guys, you're welcome to my channel. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, hello darling, how are you doing? My name is Nina. You're highly welcome to my channel. But if you are a returning subscriber, hey boo, you're highly welcome back to my channel. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be trying my best to follow the makeup techniques of a very popular makeup artist that goes by the name SCOTT BARNES. I have seen a lot of black beauty creators follow these techniques, and you guys, the results are amazing. So if you do not know who SCOTT BARNES is J-Lo's makeup artist, her personal makeup artist. So let's just get started with this makeup video. So Tati Westbrook is his model in this makeup tutorial, and you guys, skin is on point. I'm really loving what I'm seeing. Wow.
Okay, so I'm gonna use all-nighter, right? Okay.
No primer. This guy just went into highlights. Wow.
What I like to do with this is to bring it in, and you just use it to like eliminate
so he
stuff.
Did not go straight.
And I'm gonna go in ham. Like I'm gonna use makeup. Like I'm not gonna pretend like.
Just drench me. My skin eats makeup. You don't use primer?
For what? I don't really.
What do you mean for what?
I don't really need it.
Okay. So his highlight is literally
contouring and everything to do the work underneath the foundation.
He brought it so close.
This is everybody's like, where do I contour? So this is always the question, right? So I bring the
He brought the highlight very close to her
Sometimes
brows.
you see really bad nose contour and it looks like they're behind bars. Okay, couple brushes. Let's talk about brushes.
Okay, so he just did the line here. Okay, he brought it even down here. He's blending with a very flat brush. You guys, I have never blended my makeup like that. Let me even see if I have a flat brush.
I feel like that guy from, remember, who used to do the painting?
Let's get crazy.
You have to remember, okay, lifting. I'm like literally giving you.
So this is the e.l.f. angled foundation brush. From his hand movements, he's just, you know, basically swiping. Should I call that swiping? So he's just going like this.
Now I'm starting to feel like that guy.
You guys, I have never blended with a flat brush. Very sure that the quality of this e.l.f. brush is nowhere to be compared to his, but we're just going to try. Alright, so I'm just going to follow his, oh my god, I'm going to follow his hand motion. So he's just going like this
A little bit so that everybody can see this, and and you can do this on yourself, which is very easy.
So for the nose, what is it doing?
I blend it up this way. See?
He's not blending out. He's literally bringing the contour more into her nose. Wow.
A little
okay,
bit so that everybody can see this.
The same
and
thing
and you can do this on yourself, which is very easy. Is I blend it up this way. See?
She's just swiping it more into the center of her nose.
See that? See how the angles are already happening?
Okay, wait.
It's kind of weird, right?
So he just literally blended the forehead using the same strokes. Oh my god. Is this a look? Okay, so now he's going into contour. So to contour, he's using a very flat brush, and I have something similar to that. This is from Freedom Makeup, and from what I can see, his contour is really warm and dark. So I think the closest thing that I have to that should be Black Opal's foundation stick in Carob. Okay, so he practically drew a line from her ears down, and then he went this way.
Oh, you named this look?
Yeah, it's called Snatchral.
Snatchral.
It's snatched but natural.
I love that.
Oh, he named his technique or this look Snatchral. So you're snatched but looking natural at the same time. Let's see. Hope we're going to be snatched and natural So he's contouring like this. You guys, I can't see my contour. What's going on?
This is my area that I.
And this is literally the darkest stick I have here.
What's natural?
He's contouring her neck.
She's natural. Now, if you need to minimize someone's neck, this way.
We're on quarantine, okay? Yeah?
This is my area.
We're not going that far. Okay, he's contouring the what's this place called? The cheek. Yes.
And that's one of those things early in my YouTube career that so many people.
Do you have haters?
Okay, so he's taking that contour a bit down. Can you guys see my contour? Because I'm not seeing it. Okay, so he's contouring her forehead. I think my forehead is almost partially contoured with my scarf and my hairline. I have a natural forehead contour. So I'll just contour only this place because here already looks contoured.
And I'm like, well, what are we doing? Where's the light? And then depending on what lighting we're doing, or what the
Is it wow?
or lighting, it will determine what I do for foundation.
Okay. Okay, so what next?
This is where people really mess up with contouring. They over contour and then they drag all this brown into the nose and into the side of the face.
Okay, I'm going to use the Real Techniques brush. It's very precise. So his nose contour is very, very, very tiny. Okay, so I'm getting to the end. He just connected the lines.
And then they just face tune it later. Just saying.
Which is an issue.
Okay, he's also contouring the top of her lip. Oh my god, for a fuller lip effect, but I don't think I need that because I already have huge lips. Okay, so on top of all this, he's now applying the foundation. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder foundation in 5W1.5 Cinnamon. Alright, so for foundation brush, he's using a dome brush, not too densely packed. I think it's very similar to this one. No beauty blender is involved in this makeup video. Alright, so he's taking that and applying the foundation literally on top of the highlight and contour. Oh, wait. I understand what he's doing.
The skin looked amazing, the contour looked amazing, and that's, to me, the difference between some of the artists that you see that are dominantly on Instagram or just photo shoot, and then someone like you that actually has to think about every situation.
Okay. You guys, can you see? The foundation has literally covered up the contour.
That's my...
Oh, I get it. Oh, okay. You guys, can you see the difference between... Wait, let me blend here well. Can you see the difference between this part of my face and this part? Like, can you see? I contoured this place, but the foundation has covered it. Wow. Where is the contour? Where did he go? So that next he goes in with a lighter foundation. So I'm going
So a little bit of lighter foundation because we don't want to take away the contouring.
Where is he using that? Alright, so he's using that lighter foundation just around here. Right? Is that what he's doing? Okay, yeah. He uses that lighter foundation to redefine the contour. He's just swiping it over these areas. I hope I'm correct.
Okay, so instead of just eliminating that...
Okay, yeah. Alright, so for blush, he's using a cream blush, which I don't have, but I'm going to mix 2 lipstick colors to get a nice tone blush.
From inside the skin. And we want you to look like a baby face. So baby face is in here.
That is the one thing that I've noticed, and I
Placement?
will
Mine
like try to
doesn't
copy
look bad.
you. Like you do this thing with your blush brush when you do powders, and I was talking about it with your
This one.
brush specifically.
These.
Yeah, where you almost like take it, you don't pull so much, but you do this thing where you like fluff it almost up.
Flick it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I try to do that.
So he went back in again to highlight just directly under her eyelid. Wow. And this time he's using a lighter highlight color. So I'm going in with my RCMA palette, and I'm going to just take one of these lighter colors here.
And they blink their eyes and the lid's white. Okay, powder.
So what powder are you using? You're using powder. I'm using Petal. She's a little trans.
Okay, so he's going in with translucent pressed powder.
What that does is cancels out any kind of like little blue purple stuff under the eye. Yeah. Do you know Glow Getter? Private Society?
So he literally just took all the colors in his highlight palette, which I don't have. So I'm just going to, do the same thing he did. He just swiped it like this, everything.
I'm like one of those people, I just kind of mash everything together.
I'm watching this and I'm like,
This is my own showing.
My fan brush, which is like big fan.
Yes.
Fan brush.
I'm going ahead to bronze her skin now. I'm going to be using the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. I'm going to use that to set my contour. But I don't have the kind of brush she's using, so I'll go ahead and just use what I have.
That I'm gonna go like this, and you just kind of just soften the edges.
this is the trick that makes the biggest impact, and I talk about this a lot. I've brought this up so many times here on my channel that I've seen other makeup artists really do this.
It's underneath there. See the fullness? Okay, and we're gonna connect the top so that it's not two peaks. It's kind of like a round. I think what is really most important when you're doing makeup too is, just like clothing, you have to look at proportion. You got a real purty mouth.
Rhymes with Tati.
Tati the hottie.
I'm so cheesy.
Okay, now this is important. Tip alert. Feel what I'm doing? Going out to the edge. Not, I'm taking it and out into the
Then he's gonna have to feel her
Era
brows,
Artistry.
and he's using
I
a brow
use these
powder.
for brows.
So let me go ahead and quickly do mine.
Ooh, that's a nice color.
Yeah,
That's kind of shocking actually, because it looks very light.
right. Well, I don't want this to take over. I just kind of build them up slowly. Senna, do you use?
I love Senna.
Now this is a gold. I think this is called Lawn Shimmer.
Okay, what next?
We're shimmering our eyebrows.
well, because the whole look is kind of glistening
So
and
he went with
gorgeous,
a
so
brow gel, but his has a bit of shimmer. I have a brow gel, but it doesn't have shimmers.
it separates the brow really nicely. Okay, so the framework's done. Now, if you use
Alright, so he's going ahead to do her eye makeup. I think I would cut this part out. I'll quickly go ahead and do my eye makeup and I'll be back. I think the look is almost coming to an end finally because I'm really tired. Someone tell me if I'm ready for my music video. Like, am I makeup ready for my music video? So guys, I just finished doing my eye look. I used the Soft Glam palette. I used Mulberry, Sienna, Burnt Orange and Orange Soda. Listen, this look, I just mixed all the eyeshadows together because I'm hungry. I need to just round up this video and go and eat, honestly. So the eye look was so fast, like I don't even know what it's looking like, but anyhow we move. Then what else did I do? Nothing else. He did not set her face with any fixing spray or what, so I did not set my own face. So this is literally my own look. I can't tell any difference between how my face feels now and how my makeup usually feels on my face. Literally no difference. So that's a plus, because with all the highlights, contour, powder, this, that, I was thinking that at the end of the day my face is going to feel and look very, very heavy. But in terms of feeling, it doesn't feel heavy at all. from what I'm seeing on the mirror, it doesn't look heavy at all. I'll be trying out this technique again, but of course using way lesser products. So basically the highlight, contour under, and then my foundation on top. I would really need to try this out again because I love the way my makeup looks. I love the way my face feels. I love everything. I love everything. I love everything. This is good. This is good. So alright guys, so we have basically come to the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, do well to leave a nice comment down below. Leave a like. If you haven't subscribed yet, girl, what are you waiting for? Do well to click on the subscribe button before you leave, and also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I post a new video on my channel, you receive an alert and you head over to support your girl. Alright guys, so I will leave you all for now. I'll see you in my next video, God willing. Be safe, take a girl. Guys, I'll be leaving you all for now. I'll see you in my next video, God willing. Remember to stay safe. God bless you all. Until my next video, guys. Bye.